The conscious experience of a person hasn't evolved to understand causality hostile mediums. It simply understands 3 spatial dimensions and the understanding of how those spatial dimensions exist across a series of causal slices, or moments in time, and an awareness of itself within that matrix. So when separated from the normal and expected flow of causality, the brain does what it always does. It continues, but the story it tells itself, the continuity of its internal narrative, begins to fracture. A causality hostile region doesn't necessarily mean total chaos. It can mean that event order is frame dependent. Local causality exists, but global causality does not. Feedback loops occur without paradox resolution, or even time-like curves fold or branch. This is important because local causality can survive even when global causality fails. In Halo, the slipspace bubble preserves classical space-time locally, maintains ordered physics inside, and shields matter and cognition. This is not incidental. If the bubble failed, even briefly, neural activity would desynchronize, electrochemical gradients would decohere, and memory encoding would fracture. From the subject's perspective, this would not feel like confusion, it would feel like instantaneous unconsciousness or death with no subjective duration. There is no experience without temporal continuity. This detail is easy to overlook, but impossible to dismiss. The writing exists, it's in her handwriting, it matches her intent, it is contextually correct, which means she did write it, just not on the same causal slice she remembers. Her consciousness briefly ceases to be bound to a single world line, not split, not duplicated, unanchored. She is sampling multiple valid orderings of the same events, and memory can only keep one. The rest are lost, not erased, just simply unreachable.